model, 64-plate VAUXHALL VIVARO PRIMASTAR diesel 2900 1.6CDTI 115PS Sportive H1 double crew cab long MOT spares OR repairs. Body, grey, crew cab. Mileage, 218496. MOT, 15 January 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.61115 PSE5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox will need replacing, clutch is all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, air con, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.